Good morning, friends. Do you know the power of Android app in your business? How Android app can grow your business, or how you can generate the revenue using Android applications? If you don't know, then let's explore today. We can able to give you few ideas that you can start your business using Android applications, and you can earn in lakhs of monies or crores of money in just few months. But you need one particular concepts. That concepts can change the world. So now let's explore how you can start Android app business. First things I would like to ask you that how many applications are you using in a day-to-day life? For example, you are waking up in the morning 6 a.m. and you are going to sleep at 9 p.m. So in within this particular time, how many applications are you using? 5 applications, 10 applications, 20 applications, or how many hours you are spending with your mobile, or how many hours you are spending with a Android applications? Maybe I'm 110% sure you are spending approximately 3 to 5 hours daily with some of the applications. It can be YouTube applications, it can be your Gmail applications, it can be a WhatsApp, it can be any other applications. You are spending a lot of time with Android applications. Do you know that that particular peoples are earning lakhs of money whenever you are using that particular applications? If you are not knowing that things, let's explore that how much money they can earn using that particular Android applications. So now, before that, let us explore that how many applications are available in Play Stores and how many of them you are already using. So if you go to the Play Stores in your mobile or a particular websites, then you will find that this many applications are there. WhatsApp might be you are using, you might be using TikTok, Facebook, Truecaller, MX Player, Serid, Facebook, Truecaller is there, Hello is there, Likey is there, MX Player is there, then Pinterest is there. Then again, offline games are also available. Maybe many of the people are using offline games nowadays. Then few of the things that is related with graphic is there, Canva is there, video editor is there. Then again, the games are there. Most of the games are popular nowadays in a young generation. They are spending hours behind that particular games. uh, then Daily Hunt is there, then news related applications are there. And then recently Argo Setu application is launched by the India, so that is again there. Post office applications are there. Prime Video, that is again most frequently used. Netflix, most frequently used applications. Disney Hotstar, people are using maximum for that particular video search. Tools and utility, you might be using Zender, you might be using Cam Scanner. Again, educational apps are also there, you might be using that applications. Then music applications are there, law and government applications are there, and so many applications are there. If you go to that particular Play Store, you will find millions of billions of applications are available in Play Store. So these all applications are free for user. We can say 99% applications are available for free of cost for the particular users. But what about that particular owners, or what about the particular developers of the applications? They are earning by some of the ways. Let's take an example of Zomato. You might be using a Zomato, you might be using the Zomato application. So what is the earning model of the Zomato? How Zomato can earn? Zomato can earn lakhs of money. Do you think that Zomato are having that much things, or we can say offices are there, or let's say business models are there? No, they are just having the concepts. If you have the concepts such like that, you can start using the Android applications. You can start development of the Android applications using this concept. Zomato is just a concept, and they are earning lakhs of rupees in a day. Similarly, Uber Eats you might be using. Again, they are earning. Swiggy is there. You might be using Oyo. Have you tried using Oyo? So what is that Oyo? Again, Oyo is a just concept, and Nothing is there. OYO have developed one particular applications with some concepts, and people have started using that applications, and they are earning lakhs of rupees in a day. I'm not saying in a month or year. They are earning daily lakhs of rupees. So this much things you can able to earn using that particular Android applications. You can start your Android applications business into that particular your current business, or you can start using the concepts. But where is the money? How you can earn the money? So that is the most important things. Suppose you like to earn the money using the Android applications, then you need a concepts. Once you have that particular concepts, you can go with that particular concepts and you can earn the monies. For example, you have the concept in your mind that I would like to solve these problems of, that is of the common peoples. For example, Amazon has identified one particular problems, that delivery, food delivery, or whatever the items deliveries, that is bit difficult. So they have come up with the concepts, and they have developed Android applications, they have developed a particular websites, and they are providing home delivery of the particular almost all items. So this is the concepts. OYO, that is a concept. Zomato is a concept. Anything applications are that, they all are the concepts. So you can start using your own concepts. Just keep in mind that whenever you are developing with concepts, be sure to research your concepts so that that concepts can be accepted widely by the people. Yes, you can update that concept step by step whenever you are implementing that concepts. Then your concept may be raw concept, so that later on you can modify it according to the needs of the user. And finally, after some times, you can able to earn lots of money using the Android applications. So hope this video is useful to you. If you are having any concept in your mind, you would like to convert your concept into the idea, you would like to convert your concepts into the reality, we can help you out. We are having our IT companies. We can help you with Android application development. We can also help you with concept creations. We can also help you in converting concepts into the reality and implementation. Also, we can also help you in marketing, that how you can market these concepts. Okay, you can contact us for the website development, mobile application development, or any kind of consultancy related solutions. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.